ask it out. Go ahead and watch my heart burn with the fire that you started in me, but I'll never let you back to put it out.